As your business grows, the size of equipment that your business needs to continue that growth, and also the investment that equipment is, will continue to grow. And that's why we've partnered at AW Machinery with Mitch from Elm Blue to be the preferred finance partner for AW Machinery. Mitch, you want to tell them a little bit about what you do?
Yeah, so Elm Blue's partner with AW put together a woodworking specific finance program. In today's market, as you know, conserving working capital is huge. So checking out the finance options, leaning on monthly payments to grow your business is an excellent way to continue the growth and grow your business.
Yes. Don't hesitate on that equipment that you need to capitalize into future growth. You can use a partner like Mitch at Elm Blue. We trust him. He understands the market we sell to, the equipment that we're working with, the equipment that you need for your business today. Give us a call, AW Machinery. We'd love to connect you with Mitch, proudly serving out of Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and Apple Creek, Ohio. Give us a call, AW Machinery.